This game is called Division War. For this game, you will need something to write with and a piece of paper. You will also need a deck of cards with tens and face cards removed. So tens, kings, queens, and jacks have been removed. You will also need a buddy. I don't have a real buddy to play with at home, so I'm going to play against Llama. If you have a real buddy, a friend, a sibling, another caretaker or relative, you are welcome to play with a real live person. But if you're like me and you don't have a buddy to play with at home, you can play against a pretend friend. What we will do is we will split our remaining deck of cards in half and each take half. On our turn, we'll turn over 3 cards. I will use my cards exactly as they are laid out. So I have a 1, a 5, and a 4. I will create a 2-digit by 1-digit division problem without changing the order of my cards. So I have 15 divided by 4. Now, I can't think of 4 times anything to get me 15. So I might be dealing with a division problem here that has a remainder. I'm going to consider how many groups of 4 I can use to get close to 15 without going over. I know 4 times 3 is 12. If I added another group of 4, I would be at 16, and I don't have 16 to put into 4 equal groups. So I know that if I have 15 and I divide them into 4 equal groups, I will have 3 groups, and I will have some left over. To think about how many I'll have left over, I need to take the total number that I am dealing with and subtract how many of them I've used. So I'll have 3 groups of 4 with 3 left over. 3 will be my remainder. Now it's Llama's turn. So Llama will turn over 3 cards, 3, 5, and 4. She will create a 2-digit by 1-digit division problem to solve here. So Llama's problem is 35 divided by 4. Llama might also notice that 4 times nothing is, we can't think of 4 times anything as being 35. So Llama's probably also dealing with a problem here that will have a remainder. 4 times 8 is 32. One more group of 4 would be 36, and Llama doesn't have 36. So 35 divided into 4 equal groups will be 8 groups with some left over. Llama needs to think about the total number that she had and how many she's used to find her remainder. In this case, we actually tied. We both have a remainder of 3. Whoever has the lower remainder each round will get to keep all 6 cards. So just to pretend for this game, let's say that Llama's remainder was lower than mine. Llama would get to keep all of these cards, and then we would play again. We will keep playing until all of our cards have been used, and then we will count how many cards we each have in our winning piles. Whoever has more cards in their winning pile is the winner of the whole game. Then you can shuffle and play again. Have fun. Good luck.